Hello children, we are studying NCERT EVS. Today we are going to learn lesson number 4, mangoes round the year, and this is the first part of this lesson. So let's start. You can see the picture over here. There are 3 children like you. That is Neetu, second is Aman and third is Preeti. During their lunch time in the school, they were discussing about the lunch and about their food. So we will see what they are saying. Neetu is saying, wow, Aman's lunch box has sweet puris. Now Aman saying to Neetu, hey, today Neetu has brought potato sabji. And the third girl, that is Preeti, Preeti is saying, I have got a bhindi. In the second picture, all 3 children faces were very sad. Why? Because Aman said, Neetu, I think your potato sabji is spoiled. He is realized that sabji is spoiled. Spoiled means kharab ho jana. Then Preeti said to Aman, hey, don't eat that. You may fall sick. Here you take some bhindi. I have a bhindi you can take. Now see in the question below the picture. First is, how did Aman know that the potato sabji had got spoiled? Answer is because the sabji was smelling very bad. The sabji he come to know that this from its smell. Second is, how you ever seen some food that has got spoiled? How did you know that it what spoil? Usually we must seen have many times we have seen food items getting spoiled and smelling bad, especially during summer season. We can smell the bad food items. So that's why we get know that sabji is spoiled. Then Preeti told Neetu not to eat a potato sabji. Why would have happened if she had eaten it? So why would happen student if she eat the spoiled sabji? If Neetu had eaten that spoiled potato sabji, she would have fallen sick. That is not good for her health because that sabji is spoiled. When we will eat spoiled food, no, that time we can fallen sick because that is for spoiled food. When the food gets spoiled in our house, you can see the many times food gets spoiled in our house. That time how we get know that food is spoiled? Due to the smell of that food, and color of the food also changes, and the texture of food also changes. So how do we know the food is spoiled? First is the food start to smell bad. The food we can guess the smell of food items. Then the color of the food changes and we can see white green spot on the food items. And third is we can also see some thread like growth over the food, thread like rui growth on over the food. In this way we get know how spoil was how food spoil. Then what is the difference between food spoilage and food wastage? In food spoilage, when when the food had gone bad, and in food wastage, food is good but we throw it. And in food spoilage we cannot eat spoiled food because its chances we will get uh, fallen. Then in food wastage we can eat food, keep it for eating later on, or give it to poor people instead of throwing it in the dustbin. Now you can see the in the picture the fungus and bacteria you can see on this french fries, and we cannot eat that. And we should not throw the food, we should give that food to poor people. That is a difference between food spoilage and food wastage. Now look in your kitchen and write down names of the food items that food item can get spoil in 2-3 days. Through 2-3 days means which is that food item spoil in within 2-3 days, like milk, cooked dal, rice. No, we can preserve that kind of food item for 2-3 day. Cooked dal also we can keep 2-3 day, and rice also, leftover rice rice also we can keep for 2-3 day, but after 2-3 day this kind of food items get spoiled. So let's move to the next question. Can be kept which food item can be kept for a week? Means which kind of food item we can keep for a 1 week? Like potato we can keep for a 1 week, like onion, cake. So with this kind of food item we can keep for 1 week. Now which food item will not spoil till 1 month? Means which food item we can preserve for 1 month? Like salt, you must have seen salt never spoil. We can preserve soil for a 1 month. Sugar also we can store at home. Then oil also we can store at home for a 1 month. That kind of food item will never spoil. Will your list be the same in all season or not? During summer season food items spoil faster. During winter season food spoil slowly. Answer is this. Summer season food item spoil faster, but in during winter season food gets spoil slowly, because in summer season there is warm hot atmosphere. That's why food item get easily spoil and we throw the spoiled food. Then here BG returned the bread. Aman's BG went to the market to the buy bread. The shop was very crowded. There is a lots of people. The shopkeeper pick up a packet of the bread and gave it to BG. She looked at and returned it immediately. Look at the picture of the bread packet here and guess why BG returned it. BG wanted to buy the bread, but still why she returned the bread? Because the BG may have observed the black and white spot on the bread, and maybe she observed the expiry date on the bread packet. Just BG we should always check the expiry date of the packet. You can see over here expiry date is there. BG may have found that the expiry date of the bread had lapsed. She may have observed a black velvet spot on the bread like fungus, bacteria. That's why she returned the bread. Now find out, look at carefully a 3 packets of the food items, and what can we know from what is written on the packet. You can see here the cake packet. You can see here the red dot is showing this packet have non-veg ingredients like eggs. Student, we should not consume or intake any food after that the date of expiry. Just like the BG, we should always check the expiry date of any product before the purchasing. Not only expiry date of the packet, we should check weight, MRP also, and that food is veg or non-veg, means that there is green dot or red dot. Red dot is showing food the food items have non-veg items like a non-veg ingredient like eggs, and green dot is showing the full food item is totally veg. We also must to it's also necessary to check nutrition information and ingredients, MRP. Then one more thing you can need to check the food items is veg or non-veg, and the brand also you must to check. Here you can see the MRP of this cake, then expiry date, pack date. Then here you can see the some packet of food items, and this showing the base before use, means कितने दिन के अंदर आपको यूज़ करना है. This packet, on this packet is showing the expiry date and how we have to use that, before which date. So when you take anything, you must to check all things like ingredients, then MRP, what is the weightage, and which food item are included in that, which food ingredient include that. And you must to check the expiry date of the packet. You can check, you can see your base before 3 months from the packing, means we have to use this packet, cake packet, before the 3 months. Now one more, you can see your ingredients: rice flakes, refined phenomenias,